Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and to another video. First of all, I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. I hope you enjoy the holidays. Wishing the best for all of you, and enjoy these days with the family, in company with the family, and hopefully 2019 goes well for everyone, and everything makes, hopefully everything goes well. Today we're gonna do a review on the new Victorinox Christmas knife that they released for this year, the 2018, and we're gonna dig a little bit on the history. As we know, Victorinox is been releasing each year a knife for Christmas, and it's been since 2015 when they released the climber. It's a normal climber, just with the with white scales. I mean, like clear white scales. I got one over here without the box. That's my first one that I have. And as you can see, it's a really beautiful knife. You can see through the scales, like the ones with the ruby color. So it's a really nice thing. Really cool. That you'll be able to see through the scale. Okay, it's a nice knife. Well, this was the 2015 when they started doing that. Then in 2016 they came out with the with the Evergreen Christmas. Okay, another really nice knife with the this one has some snowflakes printed on the blade, which it gives the knife a really beautiful looking. It got the Evergreen handle scales, which are white, and it makes this knife special. I really like it. At the moment when I buy it, this was my preference, because the feeling and the way he looks was really good. So in 2017 Victorinox came out with the Explorer, a really cool knife. This time they printed or they engraved snowflakes or something like that in bold scales in the front and in the back, which gives the knife another beautiful look. Really cool thing. Okay, so that was 2017, and as we know, 2018 came by and they released the Sportsman edition 2018 Christmas. Okay, they never put the model, they just put the year, and as you can see, White Christmas 2017, White Christmas. This one, even though this one was not having the 16, but anyhow, let's see if the climber. No, even the climber doesn't have the year. They just put them on the on 2017 and the 2018 Sportsman. So let's bring them out and let's see. I didn't open it yet. I know I have it like about a week. I get this knife. I didn't open it because I don't want to, I want to see, and I want to make a video about this knife. And I see a few videos already on YouTube about this knife, and it really got me excited. A few things, okay? So first of all, let's bring them out. It's a really cool knife. You know, as we know, this one it's 84 millimeters long with the Christmas tree printed on the front scale. And the back it's not nothing. Okay, as you can see, it's white, beautiful looking scales. Let's go fast on the tools. As we know, we got a cap lifter, wire stripper, screwdriver on the tip. It stays on the 90, goes all the way to the 180 degrees, of course. We got the can opener, really good thing. We got the blade, which got snow stars or something like that printed on the main blade, which it gives a beautiful looking on this knife. This reminds me of the 2016 that used to have this kind of printed on the main blade. Beautiful thing. Then we got the nail file. This time they make it different from the old ones. What I can see, what I can tell you. You can see we got the clean nail cleaner on the tip. Then on the back we got something new and something that really got me excited. We got a corkscrew, and this time this knife comes with the small flat screwdriver for the glasses or goggle, whatever you want to call it. And this time they make it white. This is white. At least, you know, the plastic or the rubber, whatever it's made it of, it's white, and that's what gets me excited so much. They did something different. At least to get a little bit of, spicy to this knife. Oh my God, it's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. Okay, so we got that one. Of course, we got the rimmer punch, or the punch rimmer with the awl. The Sewina awl. Really good thing. Let me see if we got this one. Had the okay, it got the hole for the pin. All right, really good. We got the toothpick, as we know. We got tweezers, of course. There we go. And we got the keyring, so we can attach a lanyard, something that we prefer, if we want to use it. If not, it's okay. I'm not going to keep it on his bags because I didn't use it none of these, so I'm not going to use it this one. But overall, I like this one. Maybe, I don't know, between the four, I don't know, maybe this one is the ones that I like the most right now because of the detail of the mini screwdriver. That's something that, it gives the knife a little bit better looking at some point. And I don't know, what do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments what you think, which one is the one you prefer. I mean, of course, the Explorer got more tools. This one basically is the same as this one, it's just on the Evo design. A Klimber got a really good tools too. So overall, guys, I hope you enjoyed the holidays. I wish you Merry Christmas, and I hope the 2019 comes better, and hopefully all whatever you wish and you work for and try to make it. And I wish the best for you, all of you. Thank you for your support, and catch you next time.